Hey friends, if you wish to view your desktop or laptop screen on your TV, basically your Windows screen on your TV, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and then you can scroll down and select optional features. Click on view features. Now check if you have the wireless display feature here. If not, then click on see available features. Search for wireless display here. Okay, check this box and then click on add and add the wireless display feature. This is what is required from the Windows end. Post this, you can obviously connect it using Miracast or Google Chromecast or any other casting device on your TV. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.